9. Communications. Please answer these pre-reading questions. 1. How do you communicate with your friends? 2. What do you know about old forms of communications? Some difficult words. Communicate with, deal with. Messengers. People the same as postmen deliver letters to people. Pigeons. A kind of birds which are very fast. Quicker. Faster. The history of communication. In the past, people used to send a lot of letters because it was the best way to communicate with friends who were far away. They didn't use to send emails, like many people do today. How did they use to send these letters? People began to write letters after the Chinese invented paper in around 100 BCE. The first envelopes were made of animal skins. Messengers used to carry the envelopes to people on foot. In the 9th century, Egypt was one of the first places to send letters to other countries using messengers on horses. In Iraq, when people took pigeons to a place, they knew they would fly home again. In the 1100s, people realized that this was a good way to send messages, so it used to be popular to send letters by pigeon. The birds carried the letters around their necks. Communication did not get much quicker until 1832, when people began to use the post office to send letters. Trains then began to carry letters in the USA. In the 1850s, telegrams, short electronic letters, made international communication easier and quicker. And in 1917, planes started taking airmail letters all over the world. In 1972, American Ray Tomlinson invented email. After that, anyone with a computer and the internet could send and get messages quickly. Now people send more than 182 billion emails around the world every day. Ask and answer the questions. 1. What did people use to send in the past? 2. Why did people use to send a lot of letters in the past? 3. What did not they use to send? 4. When did people begin to write letters? 5. When did the Chinese invented paper? 6. What were the first envelopes were made of? 7. Who used to carry the envelopes to people on foot? 8. When was Egypt one of the first places to send letters to other countries using messengers on horses? 9. When was it popular to send letters by pigeon? 10. How were pigeons used to send letters? 11. When did communication get much quicker? 12. What made international communication easier and quicker? 13. When did planes start taking airmail letters all over the world? 14. When did the American Ray Tomlinson invent email? 15. How many emails are sent nowadays? Assessment drills. Choose the correct answer. 1. In the past, was the best way to communicate with friends who were far away. Emails, internet, letters, pigeons. 2. The invented paper in around 100 BCE. Egyptians, French, English, Chinese. 3. The female was invented in the century 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. For the man who delivers letters is called firefighter, teacher, police officer, postman. 5. Pigeons are a kind of job, man, bird, sea animal.